Hey, what's up? It's Emerald Echo coming to you from the great state of Florida. And I'm here to just quickly give you a nice, quick and easy, quick and dirty tutorial on how to make AI generated art using just a text prompt. I just want to give you the really beginning tools on how to do it using this Creator Night Cafe Studio. And there are other ones. Don't veer credit outside. This is a great AI art generator, and I've had a lot of wonderful experiences so far with it, and I would definitely suggest using it. And also I will be showing you at the very end some of the creations I've come up with using just text prompts, some of which are as little as one word. And I have tried to make this tutorial before, so I hope that this will be an even better, even more succinct version. So to start out, you're going to go to creator.nightcafe.studio/studio. It's going to ask you for a login. If you need to create an account, you can actually use Facebook, you can use Gmail, you can use your email. There's a lot of ways for you to log in and create an account. Once you have your account created, you're going to actually go to create. There's a big orange create button at the top right corner, and it's going to take you to this page. Once you get to this page, there's just a few features to be aware of. We're going to keep advanced mode toggled off for this tutorial since it's a beginner tutorial. And you're going to start with your model. So SDXL 1.0 is the state-of-the-art cutting edge model that is currently being used. I have had excellent results with other models such as Stable Diffusion 1.5, DALL-E 2, and the other SDXL that came out before this one. But for the sake of the tutorial and because of the sharpness and good imagery I've gotten out of it, I'm going to go ahead and use the SDXL 1.0. Next, you have a place to put in your text prompt. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in some words. They can be whatever you want. I'm actually just going to go up here and click done so I can go back to, and I'm going to go to show tip. So this is kind of like my empty canvas screen where I have what I have like this space where I'm going to be generating an image. So the image I'm going to go with for this AI generated art is going to be adorable hamster wearing a funny hat. Now there is now your style preset, and there's a ton of presets you can use. I am going to go ahead and just stick to none. But as you can see, for example, these presets down here are great for landscapes. These presets are great for artistic, meaning they look like they were either using oil paint or acrylic paint or a certain artistic style. And then up here you have the more realistic looking kinds of paintings or generated art, but I'm going to stick to none. And then next down here you have your settings. You can do one image, 4 images, 9 or 16, and that's going to change the amount of credits that cost you. We're going to just do one just for this one. And then here you have more settings. Depending on the model you use, you may have different output resolution, but you can actually upgrade your resolution later. Runtime, I think if you give a little bit more runtime, you may get an image that maybe is a little bit more dialed in. And then with your aspect ratio, I'm going to go ahead and go just with the 1:1 1024 by 1024 pixels, but I could do 16:9, 9:16, and so on. and then hit done again to go back to the main page. And then here we have the total cost 1 credit, and you can get credits. So I'll just show you here. When you click get credits, you can actually just purchase more credits right away, or you can manage your subscription and it can charge you monthly. So that's 100% up to you if you want to do just purchase credits in bulk, or if you want to do a monthly subscription. So now that you're all set up and you have come up with your idea, just go ahead and hit create, and it's going to charge you 1 credit. So let's see what it comes up with. Usually takes just a minute. I chose the short runtime. I love it. I think that is adorable. Okay, I love this little guy. Okay, let's go ahead and I'll show you how to evolve the image, and then I will show you how to publish. Let's go ahead and evolve the image. So let's say that we want to use something similar to this, and let's say we'll add emerald eyes. So all I'm doing is, and I'm not using the same seed, so if you were to use the same seed you would get a replica of the original. I want to simply add another prompt, so I'm not using the same seed, but you absolutely can. It would look almost like the same image. And this time I'm going to go ahead and put a striking preset on it. So now I'm taking the original concept and I'm just augmenting it and seeing what comes next. So I have now hit create, and it will generate an image with emerald eyes. So it's taking this image. I clicked the DNA icon underneath the image in order to evolve the image. Okay, so it did add some emerald to the hat and not to the eyes, so this kind of can happen sometimes where it will hone in on a detail, but maybe not the exact detail, but I still think it's great. So yeah, here's that DNA icon I was talking about. This is if you want to copy the image right here, and this is if you want to download the image or if you want to go full screen, and then there's also more options. So you can download, evolve, duplicate, enhance, or submit to a challenge. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go back to the original image and I'm going to publish it. So the way that you publish it is you simply click publish, and now you can go ahead and describe your image. Hamster, it's checking my tag, animal, funny hat, cute. Is there any other? Oh, colorful hat. And in the future we will talk about how to buy the link, but right now we're just doing the short tutorial. So now we're just going to do save and publish. And this will be added to my collection, where I can now tweet this, I can share it on Facebook, I can post it to Reddit, or I can copy the link. Maybe I want to post it somewhere else on a different website, so or on my own website. So now I'll just hit no thanks, because I'm not going to do that right now, but if I wanted to I could. And no thanks on the push notifications for now. This is another detail that I forgot to mention. So if you are going to generally be on Night Cafe on a daily basis, you'll actually be getting access to free credits that come in daily. So that can also help build up the amount of credits that you have if you are not wanting to constantly purchase them. Just by using the site every day and coming on the site every day, you can actually collect more credits. So now I just want to end the video by showing you some of the AI generations I've come up with, AI generated art I've come up with on this site. So the first one is going to be a futuristic wedding dress. My prompt was futuristic wedding dress with veil, so I think that's kind of cool. And here's another one. another futuristic wedding dress. So let me know in the comments what you think about the futuristic wedding dress, whether it would really be like that. This is Marge Simpson, but 3D. So as you can see, there's kind of a stylistic thing where you can write in names of characters, and sometimes it'll be almost exactly like the character. Other times it'll actually take creative or stylistic liberties. This is a little bit late, but Emma Stone is Barbie. This is what it gave me. And it's kind of interesting because this makes me think also that it looks like Margot Robbie as well, not just Emma Stone. So it's kind of like a little bit of Margot Robbie in there. This is Frida Kahlo. That was the entire prompt, was Frida Kahlo. I think that came out totally beautifully, so gorgeous. Next was, the prompt was pool party and neon and fog. So as you can see, there's kind of an interesting atmosphere here. I don't really know what's going on with this person, but alas. Next prompt was, it was Emerald Echo Chamber. So it gave me kind of a really cool, I don't know what this is, chamber with this like beautiful emerald centerpiece, emerald marble looking centerpiece. And then this was an emerald treasure chest, which I just think is absolutely beautiful and adorable. This is what I got when I typed in Alexa. So I don't know if this is what this AI generated art thinks of Alexa, but then this is what I got for Siri. I don't know why I got this for Siri. Okay, and then this is what I got just for typing AI, which is interesting because she looks like she would be like, I don't know, in a cornfield or something, but this is what AI generated art thinks AI looks like. And the last one, maybe one of my favorites, is this puppy, AI generated puppy. So have fun with it, and I hope that you come up with some really great creations. And yeah, thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good one. Emerald Echo out.